Noah, your employment is terminated effective today. Your last 3 sales showed material misrepresentation.
The offer letter said premium health insurance. It lied. $8,000 deductible, never disclosed.
Insurance terms are in the benefits handbook, not the offer. The offer is a summary. Benefits are defined elsewhere.
I pulled a disputed lot before it caused litigation. I read the room. The collector was about to walk.
Risk decisions require documented compliance approval. Undocumented interventions create liability regardless.
Can a machine read who wants it before the paddle rises? An auctioneer reads the room before any bid is placed.
Auction AI now outperforms human auctioneers in every metric. Bids are optimized, not felt.
Optimized, not felt. The room felt the bid before the algorithm did.
The misrepresentation findings were confirmed this morning. Your contract is terminated with immediate effect. Leave the gavel at the rostrum. Security will escort you out. You have been replaced by AI.
Subscribe.